you'll come to this screen and you're going to want to choose poster. I'm going to click on the plus sign and it will put a blank poster in the middle of my page, and I can definitely just start from scratch, or I can come over to the left and choose any of these templates that are already here for me. So as I scroll down, you can see all of the number of templates that are here. I'm going to choose this one, and I can now change different parts of the template. So I can take out tips for studying, come over to the left and say, I love that dog. So it changed my title. I can change the font to maybe a different color. I can change the style to a different style, maybe something that I think is nicer for what I'm doing. I can change the size if I want to do that, make it bigger. I can also come here and make it larger. Just drag the handle out. I can move it around. I can do all those things with text, just like that. If I wanted to add more text, I can come here and add my own text at this point. I can also come here to where this list is, and I can make this actually my list of my different lists from here, my figurative language list. So I could make simile and type that in here. And then I can come back to my planning organizer and highlight my simile, copy it, come back into my poster, and paste right there. And I can make this bigger, just like it is, or even drag it out that way. And I can do that with all of my figurative language. Just keep coming in and replacing their text with mine. So I can make, oops, just delete all this. Make this one hyperbole. And again, go back to my planning document, copy what's there, and paste it right into this text box. So that is one way that I can definitely maneuver a template. I can click also over here on backgrounds, and if I didn't like this kind of background, I could come down and look at different ones that are there. Maybe I want a softer background. I can pin it to the back. That one's kind of hard to see. Let me try this one. That one you can kind of see it a little bit. So you can do different things with the backgrounds and add them. I'll do a darker one so it's a little bit easier to see. Oop. There you go. And I can move it if I wanted to do that as well. So I can change my backgrounds. I can do all kinds of things with that. Delete. And once I've done all of those things, now let's say I wanted to add a picture. I can go to photos. And I can look for a picture of a dog. And I like this one. So maybe I don't really have a dog of my own, and I can add this one in here as my picture. Or even put it here. Maybe that looks better. I'll put it right there. Or any of these other ones that you choose. You can add more than one picture if you'd like. That's up to you. So those are some of the things that you're able to do within Adobe Spark. Like I said, you don't have to use a template to begin with. You can just use from scratch and start building with the text, the photos. And don't be afraid to just click buttons and play around and see what they do. There's all kinds of different things that Adobe Creative Cloud Express will allow you to do.